Hi students, we have seen up till now 5 sums and 1 activity sum. Now I want to go for just a recap in a steps form. How to remember the sum in a steps form. So now you can see that provide, okay, so this last sum is in front of us. Now first step, you can see that provide equation number. So after providing equation, okay, so this is our first equation, this is our second equation. We will equalize the coefficient of any variable by multiplying by the required number. So in this, we can see here there is a 5, there is a 1. So we can just decide that this equation we require here also in this equation we require 5. So we multiply the equation 2 by 5 to equalize them. So now we have to decide the coefficient of both this number. We have seen that they are positive. So if it is the same sign, then go for subtraction. If it is an opposite sign, then go for addition. Now we will go here for same sign. Okay, so same sign, so subtraction. So subtracting equation 1 from equation 3. So now 5x plus 25y minus is equal to 20 and 5x plus 2y is equal to minus 3. Remember, while doing the subtraction, we have to change the sign of each and every term of the second equation. Now, here in this, we can see that after cancellation, 23y remains and here 23. So y, we got the value of y as 1. So this step you can check, find out the value of any one variable. Now we will substitute the above value in any of the equation. So here whichever you find easier one. So in this equation we are putting, हमें ये काफी easy लग रहा है equation, तो हम इस equation में इसे substitute करेंगे and we find out the value of another variable, that is x is equal to minus 1. Now at least but very important, don't forget to write final solution. So solution is x is equal to minus 1 and y is equal to 1. So now we are moving to the tough sum, which is sum number 6. Upon 3x plus y is equal to 10 upon 3. (2x plus 1 upon 4y). 2x plus 1 upon 4y is equal to 11 upon 4. Please notice both the equations. 1 upon 3x plus y is equal to 10 upon 3 and 2x plus 1 upon 4y is equal to 11 upon 4. Now once again, please remember those steps. But now here we will give the equations as a number . Now, as if you have noticed, in the denominator there is 3, which we want to remove it. And to remove this denominator, we have to multiply by the same number. So, multiply equation 1 by 3 . So here, after cancellation, what remains? X only. y into 3, 3y, and again here cancellation. So we got the equation number 3 in a simpler form. Now here in this equation, equation number 2, we will multiply by 4. So multiply equation 2 by 4. So 2x plus 1 upon 4y. Here we will multiply it by 4. Now here also we will multiply it by 4, and 11 upon 4 into 4. So 4 2s are 8x. Now this 4 gets cancelled, and again here also 4 gets cancelled. So this is your equation number 4. So we got the two equations, that is equation number 3 and equation number 4. Now we have to focus on these two equations only. Okay, so we have find out in a very simple form. We have simplified these equations. Equation 1 gets converted in equation 3 and equation 2 gets converted in equation number 4. Now we will see that here there is 3 but here there is 1. So again we have to equalize these coefficients. So please remember, once again we got the same steps but this part got added. यहाँ पे ये पार्ट हमारे लिए एक्स्ट्रा है. सो हमने यहाँ पे इक्वेशन डिसाइड कर लिया है. पहला था फर्स्ट इक्वेशन, सेकंड इक्वेशन, यहाँ पे हमारा थर्ड इक्वेशन और फोर्थ इक्वेशन. नाउ इन दिस सम वी हैव टू फोकस ऑन इक्वेशन नंबर 3 एंड इक्वेशन नंबर 4. सो हियर इन दिस स्टेप we got the equation. We will decide here, we will multiply this equation by 3. So multiply equation 4 by 3. So here 3 into 8x, so 24x. Now 3 into y plus 3y, 3 into 11 is equal to 33. That is your equation number 5. So now we have to focus, after equalizing these coefficients, we have to focus on equation number 3 and equation number 5. So please remember this. We have to focus on equation number 3 and equation number 5. Now you just decide it once again, same sign, subtraction. So here we are getting 3y plus, and this is also, both are positive, 3y. So we will do the subtraction. Please remember, same sign, subtraction. So subtracting equation 3 from 5. So this equation I am going to write first. 24x plus 3y is equal to 33. And now x plus 3y is equal to 10. So please change the sign. And now once again we got the cancellation, plus 3y minus 3y got cancelled. So 24 minus 1 is 23x, and 33 minus 10 is 23. So x is equal to 23 divided by 23. We get the answer as 1. So now what is the value of x? X is equal to 1. Now we have to substitute. X is equal to 1 in equation. You can substitute in any of the equation 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. But this equation looks easier. This is also easier. And this also easy. We can go for this equation. 8x plus, so this is your equation number 4, and 8x plus y is equal to 11. So we will substitute the value of x as 1, and now 8 ones are 8 plus y is equal to 11. So y is equal to 11 minus 8. So y is equal to 3. Now we have to provide the solution. That is your final answer. The solution is x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 3. So this is your final answer. Once again, I want to explain this, the overall. See, in this sum, you can notice there is a fraction. Okay, in a fraction you can find 3. So to remove this 3, we have to multiply it by the same number. So this is your equation number 1. And to remove this 3, we will multiply the equation 1 by 3. So 1 upon 3x into 3 plus y into 3 is equal to 10 upon 3 into 3. 3 gets cancelled, here also it gets cancelled. So we got a very simple equation, that is x is equal to 3y is equal, x plus 3y is equal to 10. And now the same way, to remove this 4, we will multiply equation 2 by 4. So 2x into 4, 1 upon 4y into 4 is equal to 11 upon 4 into 4. So 2x into 4 is 8x, 4 gets cancelled, plus y, and 4 again gets cancelled, is equal to 11. So multiply equation 4 by 3. Now to equalize, we will focus on these two equations. So here we are getting, see, but before that I just want to explain here there is a 3y and here there is a 1y. So to equalize this coefficient, we will multiply the equation 4 by 3. So we got 3 8s are 24x, 3 1s are 3, so 3y, and 3 11s are 33. So we got the equation number 5 as 24x plus 3y is equal to 33. We will focus on these two equations. So x plus 3y is equal to 10 and 24x plus 3y is equal to 33. Now, after deciding here that both are positive, we will go for subtraction. So subtracting equation 3 from 5, 24x plus 3y is equal to 33 minus x plus 3y is equal to 10. While doing the subtraction, please change the sign. Don't forget to change the sign. That is the logic here. So we get the cancellation, the chance to cancel this, any of the one variable. So now 24 minus 1 is 23. 33 minus 10 is equal to 23. So x is equal to 23 upon 23. So x is equal to 1. Generally जो स्टूडेंट्स यहाँ पे मिस्टेक करते हैं कि सब्ट्रैक्शन तो लिख देते हैं लेकिन साइन चेंज नहीं करते हैं, और या तो अगर कैंसिल भी कर दिया पर इसके या तो यहाँ पे अगर पॉजिटिव साइन होगा तो उसी को ध्यान में रखते हैं, लेकिन ये ध्यान में नहीं रखते हैं, और समटाइम्स इतना कंजस्टेड कर देते हैं. प्लीज नेक्स्ट लाइन में इस साइन को करो ताकि टीचर्स को जो पेपर चेक कर रहे हैं उन्हें भी क्लियरली दिखाई दे कि स्टूडेंट ने साइन चेंज की है और उसी पर आपका भी फोकस रहेगा. So now we will substitute this value of x in any of the 5 equations, but here the fourth equation seems very easy. So 8x plus y is equal to 11. In this fourth equation we will substitute. So x is equal to 1. So 8 into 1, 8 plus y is equal to 11. Transfer on the other side, so positive becomes negative. 11 minus 8 is equal to 3. We got the final answer as solution. So x, y, 1 and 3. So x is equal to 1, y is equal to 3. Now we are going for the next sum. Sum number 7, 99x plus 101y is equal to 499. And the next equation is 101x plus 99y is equal to 501. So this is a very typical sum. I want to explain in little bit more detail. अगर आप सबने यहाँ पे नोटिस किया होगा तो जो x का कोएफिशिएंट है वो यहाँ पे y को दिया गया है और जो y का कोएफिशिएंट है वो यहाँ पे x को दिया गया है. सो यहाँ पे हमें डिफरेंट वे से ऐसे टाइप के सम्स को हमें सॉल्व करना है. See, in overall we can get the three types of sum. First 5 sums are one type. Second, now we have seen the 6th sum, that was another type, and the 7th and 8th is a different type. So there are 3 types of sum in this equation, in this overall exercise. Okay, so now we can see here what we have to do in this type of sums. Once you have to do the addition and one more time you have to do the subtraction. So you will get more 2 equations which is in a very simpler form. Okay, so please here add equation 1 and 2. Now 99x plus 101y is equal to 499. 101x plus 99y is equal to 501. We will add up. So 99 plus 101 is 200x plus 200y, and 499 plus 501 is equal to 1000. If you have noticed, 200 is common, so 200 into x plus y. So please separate the common and uncommon parts. And now we got here, so x plus y is equal to 1000 divided by 200. So 200 5 are 1000. We got x plus y is equal to 5. This is our equation number 3. So once you have to do the addition, now we will go for the subtraction. So subtracting equation, see equation 1 from 2. You can see here this number and this number, you can just make out from here that this number is bigger than this. So हमें अगर easy way करना है तो इस equation को ऊपर ले लो. So 101x plus 99y is equal to 501. 99x plus 101y is equal to 499. Now again, while doing the subtraction, we will change the sign of each and every term. So now 101 minus 99 is equal to 2x, and minus 2y is equal to 2. Okay, so here also we are getting 2 as a common. So 2 into x minus y is equal to 2. So x minus y is equal to 2 divided by 2. We got the final answer as x minus y is equal to 1, and that is your equation number 4. See, if this is your equation number 3, so now we got the equation number 4. Now we have to focus in this. Okay, both these equations we have to focus and making a star mark for your better understanding. So we will do the addition of these 2 equations. So adding equation, why we are doing the addition? Because here we are getting minus y and here plus y. So we can do the cancellation. So adding equation 3 and 4, x plus y is equal to 5, x minus y is equal to 1. We will change the, there is no need of changing the sign because we are doing the addition. Okay, so y gets cancelled. 2x is equal to 6. So x is equal to 6 divided by 2. So x is equal to 3. We got the value of one variable, that is x. Now we will substitute x is equal to 3 in equation 3. It seems easy. जो आपको इजी लगे उसी इक्वेशन में वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट करो. सो x इज इक्वल टू 3 प्लस y इज इक्वल टू 5. नाउ y इज इक्वल टू 5 माइनस 3, सो y इज इक्वल टू 2. सो सॉल्यूशन x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 2. So you can see that the sum number 7 is altogether different. How to find out this type of sums? When you see that the numbers are a little bit bigger, the coefficients that is, and they are just opposite in variables, means here यहाँ पे आपने देखा कि x की वैल्यू 99 है और यहाँ पे वैल्यू हमें 99 y को दी है. तो जब ऐसा कोइंसिडेंस बने तब आपको क्या करना है, वन टाइम एडिशन, वन टाइम सबट्रैक्शन. वी विल गेट द टू इक्वेशंस. दैट टू इक्वेशंस व्हेन यू सॉल्व इट you will get the value of x, and again you have to substitute and find out the value of y. Okay, so I'll just explain you once again. So here we are doing the addition of 1 and 2. So 99x plus 101x is 200x. 101y plus 99y is 200y. 499 plus 501 is 1000. We are getting that exact opposite. Okay, so the same value here. We can do the 200 as common. Okay, so uncommon parts we can take, separate it. So 200 into x plus y is equal to 1000. So x plus y is equal to 1000 divided by 200. So x plus y is equal to 5. Now subtracting equation 1 from 2. Okay, so because 501 is bigger than this 499, so we take it on the upper side. So 101x plus 99y is equal to 501. And 99x plus 101y is equal to 499. यहाँ पे हम लोग सब्ट्रैक्शन करने के पहले क्या करेंगे, साइन को चेंज. सो हमने साइन को चेंज किया. 101 में से 99 गया. हाउ मच वी आर गेटिंग, 2x. 99 में से 101 पॉसिबल नहीं है, बट फिर भी हम लोग कर रहे हैं, तो हम क्या देंगे, माइनस साइन. सो 2x minus 2y. See, remember minus plus minus sign of the greater number. So 2x minus 2y is equal to 2. Once again we have to take the common part and uncommon part separately. So 2 into x minus y is equal to 2. So x minus y is equal to 2 upon 2. Ultimately we are getting the answer as this equation. We are getting equation number 4. X minus y is equal to 1. Now we are adding equation number 3 and 4. So x plus y is equal to 5 and x minus y is equal to 1. Why we are doing the addition? Because we are getting the opposite sign. So easily we can do the cancellation. 2x is equal to 5 plus 1, 6. X is equal to 6 upon 2. So x is equal to 2 ones are 2 and 2 threes are 6. So x is equal to 3. Now substitute this value in any of the equation. Either equation 1, 2, 3, 4. But 3 is easier one. So x plus y, we will substitute in equation 3. So x, okay, substitute x is equal to 3 in equation 3. So x plus y is equal to 5. So 3 plus y is equal to 5. Y is equal to 5 minus 3. Y is equal to 2. So solution is x, y, 3, 2. And now we will go for the next sum. That is the last sum of this exercise 1.1. 49x minus 57y is equal to 172. Same way, 57x minus 49y is equal to 252. So 7th and 8th, both the sums are a little bit same. Again, we got the similarity. Here also we got the similarity. Okay, so 57y and here the 57x. So once again we will do the addition. So adding equation 1 and 2, 49x minus 57y is equal to 172. 57x minus 49y is equal to 252. So 49, 9 plus 7, 16, 1 carry, 1 plus 4, 5. So 5 plus 5, 10. 106x minus once again 106y. 2 plus 2, 4. 5 plus 7, 12. 1 carry, 2 plus 2, 4. So here we are getting the common as 106 into x minus y. Please remember, common and uncommon part we are separating it. So 424. Now you can notice this, 424 is divisible by 106. If you have noticed that 6 4s are 24 and 100 4s are 400. So we can go by dividing this 424 is divided by 106. We will get the final answer as 4. Here the equation number 3. So if you divide this 424 by 106, we will get the 424. So 106 4s are 424. Now we will try to find out the next equation by subtracting equation 1. This number is smaller, so equation 1 from equation 2. So 57x minus 49y is equal to 252. 49x minus 57y is equal to 172. So 17 minus 9, you can see here 8x we are getting, and this is gets cancelled. So 57 minus 49 is 8x, and now plus 8y is equal to 2 minus 2 0, 15 minus 7 is 8, and 1 minus 1 gets 0. So here we are getting 8 as a common and x plus y as uncommon part. So x plus y is equal to 10. Here you can notice that 8 ones are 8, 10s are. So we got the equation number 4. In the last sum, what is the difference in 7th and 8th sum? 7th sum में हमें पहले x plus y की वैल्यू मिली थी और 8th sum में बाद में मिल रही है, बट कोई भी इशू नहीं है, हम वैसे ही सॉल्व करेंगे. Okay, so now here we are getting the plus y, here we are getting minus y. So हमें अभी क्या करना है? Addition. So that is adding equation 3 and 4. X minus y is equal to 4 and x plus y is equal to 10. So plus y minus y cancel. 1x plus 1x is 2x, and 10 plus 4 14. So x is equal to 14 divided by 2. So x is equal to 2 ones are and 2 sevens are 14. So we are getting the value of x as 7. Now we will substitute the same value of x in equation 4. Always we try to choose the plus positive sign in equation 4. So x plus y is equal to 10. So 7 plus y is equal to 10. Y is equal to 10 minus 7. So y is equal to 3. Now the final solution. What is the value of x? 7. Value of y is 3. So this is your final solution. I hope it is clear now. But once again I want to explain you. Okay. So 49x minus 57y is equal to 172, and 57x minus 49y is equal to 252. So this is the one typical sum. Here the value of x is similarly given to the value of y. So यहाँ पे जो कोएफिशिएंट है x का वही सेकंड इक्वेशन में, जो फर्स्ट इक्वेशन में आपने देखा जो x का कोएफिशिएंट है वही कोएफिशिएंट y का बना, और जो y का कोएफिशिएंट था वो x का बना. सो यहाँ पे हमें सिंपल ट्रिक याद रखनी है, वन टाइम एडिशन वन टाइम सब्ट्रैक्शन. ओके, सो एडिंग इक्वेशन 1 and 2, 49x minus 57y is equal to 172 and 57x minus 49y is equal to 252. So after addition we got here 106x minus 106y is equal to 424. Now we are taking the common. So 106 into x minus y is equal to 424. So x minus y is equal to 424 divided by 106. So 106 ones are 106 and 106 fours are 424. So x minus y is equal to 4. We got one equation. हमें यहाँ पे एक equation मिल चुका है, equation number 3. Now to find out the next equation, we have to do the subtraction. So subtracting equation 1 from equation 2. हमने ऐसा क्यों किया 1 from 2? Because this number is bigger than this. So we are subtracting this equation 1 from equation 2. Okay, so 57x minus 49y is equal to 252 minus, okay, so here we are getting, that is we are doing the subtraction, that is 49x minus 57y is equal to 172. Now when we are doing the subtraction, please remember we have to change the sign. Here we are not changing the sign because we are doing addition. Here we are changing the sign. So 8x plus 8y is equal to 80. Now again the common part and uncommon part. So 8 into x plus y is equal to 80. Now x plus y is equal to 80 divided by 8. So that comes to 10. So x plus y is equal to 10. We got the equation number 3 and equation number 4. So now we have to add up this equation 3 and equation 4. X minus y is equal to 4 and x plus y is equal to 10. Remember, this is your equation number 3 and this is your equation number 4. Now both are in opposite signs, so we can do the cancellation. And now x plus x, 2x, and 4 plus 10, 14. Now always remember 1 as a coefficient, so 1 plus 1, 2 and x, so 2x. And now 14 divided by 2 is how much? So 2 ones are 2 and 2 sevens are 14. So x is equal to 7. We got the answer of one variable x as 7. Now we are substituting that x is equal to 7 in equation 4. X plus y. Please check that. Always decide any of the equation. Okay, either from 1, 2, 3, 4. But third and fourth equation are always easier one as we have simplified that. So try to decide any one of the equations. Generally we decide those equations where we are having the positive sign. So x plus y is equal to 10. We are substituting this value in equation 4. x plus y is equal to 10. Substitute this value. So 7 plus y is equal to 10. So y is equal to 10 minus 7. So y is equal to 3. Now we got the final solution as x is equal to 7 and y is equal to 3. So I hope this first exercise is clear.